Renting a speedboat during our trip to New Caledonia sets the stage for an exhilarating day of adventure on the shimmering waters around the capital town of Noumea. We arrived in Port Moselle in Noumea early in the morning. Our plan for the day is to explore the azure expanse of the Pacific Ocean aboard the stylish Beneteau Flyer 6.6 Sundeck. This sturdy vessel, available for rental at Port Moselle, offers both comfort and performance, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a memorable boating experience. The Beneteau Flyer boasts several key features that make it a standout choice for navigating the waters of New Caledonia. With its spacious deck and ample seating, it provides a comfortable and stable platform for soaking in the stunning coastal views while cruising at high speeds. The boat's robust construction and powerful engine ensure a smooth and exhilarating ride, while its sleek design adds a touch of elegance to the overall experience. The sun was out in force as we headed out to Anse Vata Bay in the southern part of New Caledonia. Speeding across the glistening waters, we savoured the rugged coastal landscapes around Port Moselle. The picturesque Anse Vata Bay is renowned for its crystal clear waters and pristine beaches. Whether it's swimming, snorkeling, or simply basking in the sun, Anse Vata Bay offers a perfect setting for a day of relaxation and aquatic recreation. If fishing is on the agenda, the surrounding waters are teeming with a variety of marine life, promising an exciting angling experience. Embarking on a boating adventure in New Caledonia promises an enriching and exhilarating experience for all. With its seamless blend of natural beauty and vibrant boating culture, the waters around Noumea beckon enthusiasts and adventurers alike to indulge in the allure of this South Pacific paradise. Our day of boating in New Caledonia unfolds as a journey of discovery, offering a harmonious blend of natural splendour, aquatic pursuits, and boating encounters.